All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're looking at Fantom again, FTM. Okay, I just made a video on this one recently, and we got some good news actually in the market. All right, the reason for that being is, inflation talks and CPI data came out today, and a lot of the prices over the past month or two have been priced in. Basically pricing in these fears, right? That things are going to be bad with inflation and stuff like that. And so that's why we've seen the market falling, right? And today they released CPI, and it came out exactly as what they were expecting. So no big like bad news or good news, right? But low key, it's actually good news, okay? Because the reason it's good news is that they've already priced in all of these fears, and the fears that they priced in were valid, basically. Okay, so they were expecting 7%, they got 7%. So now everything that they priced in is valid. So now people are going in and buying in more. They're like, okay, boom. Well, now after we've priced in all of this, this fear, this FUD, we're gonna go ahead and invest in now because we've got it priced in and yada yada yada. Okay, so that's basically what's going on. And Fantom has been raging. Okay, it is up like over 30%, man. Look at this. Yeah, 36% right now. So I mean, that's amazing, amazing, amazing stuff. I really love Fantom. It's gonna do insane stuff in 2022. But here are the bullish price targets. Okay, so we already hit one at 292. Okay, we're trading above that right now. Our next bullish price target is going to be 3.10, and then above that is going to be 3.27. All right, those are going to be the next immediate bullish price targets that I see us hitting. If you need a tutorial on how to do support and resistance, I got one in the top right hand of this video that'll help you out. All right, and currently we need to hold this 292 support level. All right, as long as we can stay above there, we're bullish. If we dip back down to 2.75, that's not bad either. That would be a healthy little pullback. And then if we can maintain support at 2.92 or 2.75, then we're clear to keep going forward. All right, higher. But if we break those levels, then this could be the end of this little short-term rally. Okay, so just keep an eye on it. If you're in this rally right now, you're doing amazing. Fantom just freaking basically exploded. Okay, FTM has been going straight up. And good news. Okay, so I just wanted to make a quick update on Fantom, basically because yeah, it's popping right now, baby, and it is looking very good. Let's take a look at like the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Oh yeah, I mean, how good does that look, guys? I mean, seriously, just straight up. Huge, nice W pattern right here. Man, that's crazy. All right, so hopefully, you had some Fantom and you've been, accumulating in these, low positions slowly. All right, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay.